Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to launch your favorite apps directly from your iPhone's lock screen without unlocking your phone or swiping through pages, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a sleek custom app dock using a free tool called Lock Launcher. It's fast, it's clean, and it makes your lock screen way more powerful. Whether you're into productivity, shortcuts, or just want your favorite apps one tap away, stick around. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off by grabbing the app that makes this whole lock screen magic possible. Head over to the App Store and search for Lock Launcher. You'll see it pop up with a clean icon. Go ahead and download it. It's totally free to use, and while there is a premium version with extra features, you won't need that for setting up a basic dock. The free version gives you everything you need to launch apps right from your lock screen. Once it's installed, open it up, and we'll start building your custom dock in the next step. Before we jump into step 2, if you're finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials like this one. I'm dropping premium tech content every week, from iPhone hacks to AI-powered workflows, so if you're into clean setups and smart shortcuts, you're in the right place. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know which apps you're adding to your lock screen dock. I read every one and reply fast. Let's build something cool together. Now that Lock Launcher is installed, let's build your custom dock. This is where the magic happens. Start by opening the app and tapping the Favorites tab at the bottom. This is your workspace. Think of it like your personal launch pad. Next, tap Add Action. You'll be taken to the Featured tab, where you'll see a button labeled Choose Action. Tap that, and now you're inside the action library. Here, Lock Launcher gives you a bunch of categories to choose from: popular, shortcuts, web apps, and more. You can add everyday apps like Notes, Safari, Instagram, or even advanced tools like custom shortcuts, URLs, or Wi-Fi toggles. Let's say you want to add Instagram. Tap it, and you'll see a customization screen. You can rename the icon, change its color, and even pick a background style. Want a neon glow? A glassy finish? It's all here. Once you've styled it the way you want, tap Test Run to preview how it'll look and behave. If it works the way you want, hit Save. Now repeat that process for each app or action you want in your dock. You can add up to 24 actions, so feel free to mix in utility shortcuts like turning on your flashlight, launching your camera, or opening a specific website. Pro tip: try grouping your icons by theme. Social apps in one row, productivity tools in another. It makes your dock feel organized and intuitive. And don't forget, you can rearrange icons anytime by tapping and holding, just like you would on your home screen. Once you've built your dock, take a moment to admire it. It's sleek, personalized, and ready to live on your lock screen. In the next step, I'll show you how to activate it using live activities so it actually shows up on your lock screen. Let's keep going. All right, now let's make sure your dock actually shows up on the lock screen. Open Lock Launcher and head over to the Settings tab. Scroll down until you see the toggle for Live Activities. This is the key feature that allows your dock to appear without unlocking your phone. Go ahead and switch it on. You might get a quick prompt asking for permission. Just confirm it. Once that's enabled, lock your phone and either tap the dynamic island at the top or swipe across the lock screen. You'll see your custom dock slide into view right at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can launch any app or shortcut instantly. No need to unlock, no need to swipe through pages. It's fast, clean, and feels like a native iOS feature. And just like that, your lock screen becomes a powerful launch pad. Let's move on to customizing the look and layout even further. And that's it! You've now got a sleek, functional app dock right on your iPhone's lock screen. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and let me know in the comments which apps you added to your dock. See you next time.